Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass and back cover on the Huawei P30 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and then follow with the back cover removal. Here we are using a heating pad to remove the back cover. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic car pry tool and gently cut the adhesive. There are few different replacement parts available for this repair. You can select the camera lens with the frame or camera lens without the frame, or back cover with camera lens installed. Take out the back cover and then take out the broken lens from the back cover. Apply heat and push from the rear side to remove the broken lens. Next, clean the surface and then place the new camera lens glass by adding adhesive. Next, if needed, can take out the lens with the frame. First, apply heat on the lens area from the front side of the back cover. Next, slightly apply pressure from the front side to take out the lens with the frame. Next, secure the new camera lens frame in the back cover by adding adhesive. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the back cover. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tie in the back cover. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.